Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Just got back from Dollar Tree. Found some great things there this week. First thing I got was this beautiful love plaque, and it is made out of that. I'm not sure what this is called. I always forget. MDV, I don't know. Heavyweight plyboard of some kind. It was really cute, and this is a little tin. It says love, $1. I mean, are you serious? It's a great buy. So grab that. Then they had this one made out of the same stuff with burlap on it, little glitter. All you need is love. But that was really, really cute. So grab that one. I'm pulling these out of the sack. Then they had this one, Follow Your Heart, and I just love this one. So cute, so cute. So I grabbed one of each of those. Then they had some new stickers. These are Be Mine, I Heart You, and they're 2D. So I grabbed a package of those. Then they had these cute little flags, or little notes. So I grabbed one of those, and then they had one like this. Now I had hauled some of these kind of stickers before with the metal look, but I didn't see these that have the Paris theme and the crown, so I thought that was really cute. So I grabbed 2 of those. Then back in the Halloween, I am way out of the world here. Back in the Valentine stuff, they had these 3D Valentines that are peace, and I thought those are so cute. I'm gonna open them up here and get my hands to work. And they are, what is that called? They call it 3D, but I called it something else, but they move. Not sure, is it picking up? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Sorry about the glare, but they don't have anything Valentine-y on the front of them, so I thought they'd be really cute in like maybe a journal or some kind of a little sticker maybe in your planner. I mean, they do have it on the back, but you could use it any way you want. Here's a mouse. For Valentine's Day to a great teacher. That's cute. I'm sorry, I got the sniffles here. I think I'm catching a little cold. So yay me. Then they had the Precious Moments. They're marked $2.99, but they're $1. And they do say Valentine things, but my daughter collects Precious Moments, and I used to, but I gave her all of mine, so I thought those are really cute. So I grabbed a package of those. I'll probably make her something. And then I grabbed 2 packages of the princess ones, and they are so cute. I'm going to open one up, give it a look-see, see what we're actually getting here. Now these aren't as nice as the others, but they're nice and big, and they're very cute. You know, for $1 you get 24 or 32. So be the hero of your story, live your dreams, never underestimate a princess, courage makes you stronger, make a splash, courage is royal, be your own hero, and believe with all your heart. So I thought those were really cute, so I grabbed a couple of those to use in journals, planners, whatever. The next Valentine thing I found were these little stickers. Now I showed these in my video, and they're cute. They're nothing, you know, to write home about, but I really liked this one, and then this one. Maybe that one even. These with the little, I don't know, little monsters on them, I don't really get, but the other ones I like, so I grabbed a couple of packages of those. Then, as always, I love these magnetic tins, so I grabbed a couple of those to send in friend mails. I had bought this Afterglow in the pins and push pins and paper clips and what have you, but I thought some rubber bands would be nice, so I grabbed a package of those. I also grabbed one of these Love MDF, that's what it's called. I knew it would come to me eventually. MDF board, and I was going to just, you know, either glitter paint it or something. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. Then I got a couple of the tissue wrap for Valentine's Day. You can't go to Dollar Tree and not get at least one Beautiful package. And this one, I'm not sure if it's picking up, but it's got, I guess it's kind of like shiny, I don't know, pretty though. Then I grabbed one of these, the Happy Valentine's one. That's kind of pulling off. Oh no, Mr. Bill. Well, I'll have to fix that, but anyway. Darn it, I should have just cut it instead of try to pull it, but it kind of adds to the charm. So I grabbed one of those. Then they had these ones that fold up nice and neat for storage. Love Each Moment. So I grabbed that one, and then I grabbed one that's Follow Your Heart. So I thought those were really cute little decorations. I grabbed 2 packages of these. Little light, string lights with the hearts on them. I got a package of these felt stickers. Thought these would be really cute as a planner clip or just as a decoration. And I also got a couple of packages of these little heart eyeballs. Thought those were really a cute idea. Then I went over into the socks, and you know I can't go into the socks without buying some. So they had the love ones, so I grabbed a pair of those. I love these with the heart on them, so I grabbed a pair of those. I got these with all hearts, pink and bright pink and silver. I got this pair that say love on the front, very cute. And the last pair I got was this pair, and they only had them in this really small size. So the person with the smallest feet that I know is going to get these because I think they're adorable. So I'm going to send those to her. And then lastly, I picked up a red love. Now I have a gold one and a silver one, so now I have a red one. And I picked up one of each of these in red. And I also got one in gold. So, and I got another one of these hearts. So I'm going to try and see if I can make something cute out of those for the holiday. And let's see, what else? Oh, I grabbed some of this oil, this coconut and mango. Smells divine. But for $1, that's really a good buy. And then I grabbed facial wipes, also coconut and mango, to give them a try. They say they're no artificial dyes or parabens, cruelty-free. So all of that sounds great to me. So I'm going to give those a try. So that is my little mini haul from the Dollar Tree this week. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below. And please, please, please comment if you have any questions or concerns or anything you want to tell me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.